Yeah, it's only because you supported the shop for a long time too. You're like Christian.
Oh yeah, no, I haven't gone anywhere else.
Man, how did you find out about us?
You know, it's back when I lived up on, it's just like down the street. I lived there, and then I just kind of looked around, and I was like, oh, this one stands out. I got real lucky there.
Yeah, what was it that stood out?
I think it was the name of the logo.
Nice.
At first, yeah, that caught my eye. You have good branding.
Thank you. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much.
Yeah, ever since then, yeah, no, because I used to live in Arizona, so I tried a lot of barbers over there when I was over there, and I think you're the first one that I fully trusted and come back to.
Oh, wow.
So, you know.
Yeah, what made you trust me?
Oh, just the way it looked and how it grew over time.
Oh,
My
nice.
hair. Yeah, no,
Yeah, I feel like these are cut very well, so they do last longer for sure.
I agree.
You can almost logically equate the price and say, oh, well, someone else charges 25 or 30, and it's like, but it's never going to go back like this.
Yeah, my brother made that mistake recently. Because he was like, oh, I'll just go for like the super cheap walk-in ones or whatnot, and he regrets it now, so.
Oh, that's crazy. That happens.
True.
I can't wait till you see this.
Yeah, now it's been a few months, so I'm excited.
Yeah, this is the perfect time to get one. It's, before Christmas. And
Yeah. I'm gonna be heading out to Arizona this weekend.
nice. Where in Arizona?
The Phoenix area. Just Phoenix for now.
Cool. Yeah, because my license, the only state it crosses over to is Arizona.
Oh, sweet.
So like if I were to ever say, oh, I'm gonna pop open a shop in Scottsdale or whatever, I can go directly over there and my license, I don't have to do anything other than register with the state board of barbers over there and everything.
Oh, that's good.
Every other state you'd have to redo, you'd have to go in there and you'd have to get their license.
Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah.
But it's almost like transferable, I guess, in a way.
Sure, yeah.
This license coincides with Arizona.
That's good. Arizona's a good place too.
Yeah. Wait, so what do you do for a living?
At the moment I'm an office administrator up at Leisure Pools. And the
Nice.
pool contractors.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. And I'm trying to get into web development. But
Interesting.
yeah. It's a little tough trying to learn on my own, but I'm trying to get that down.
Good. Yeah, that all sounds positive. Oh yeah. Just keep doing that, and it's gonna all transpire if you just keep doing that.
Oh yeah, no, I'm excited for the future.
And 2022 is an embarkment on the future, in my opinion. It's starting right here.
That's what I'm thinking too.
Look at all the cryptocurrency and things are, it's changing a little bit.
Oh, true, yeah, that's been booming a lot.
Cybersecurity, all these jobs are going to be very relevant. They already are. But it's
True.
And all of you guys have become friends of mine. And what I'm going to be doing soon is I think I'm going to have a party for this graduation because I never even got to celebrate me getting a barber license. I just didn't, I'm going to go ahead and have a celebration.
Oh, that'd be good.
Yeah. And all of you guys, I'm just going to send an email out to all of my clients as well. And they're welcome to come and eat and enjoy. And I'll probably rent like a big Airbnb or whatever. And, I wanted to do the Tamaya, but then I said, will they want to come? Is that too far?
Oh, I gotcha.
No, Tamaya's not too far.
It isn't?
No, I don't
See,
think
then
so.
that's where I think that I'd like to do it over there. That way it's in a nice public setting and everything, but we can have, I take everyone back in, they eat on me, it's, you know, I want them to be able to enjoy themselves and have a drink or two if they have a designated driver or whatever, and
Yeah.
as long as you're not drinking and driving. Or none of my clients would ever pose that, wouldn't be acting like that or anything.
Oh, that's great.
And I would never let them get in trouble either. So if like someone couldn't make it home, then I guess they're gonna get home. I'll call the taxi and everything, and Uber and everything else.
Well, they can rent a room right there.
You know? See, and I thought about it because if I'm gonna do something big, it has to be a place like that. If it was gonna be small and like something tinier, then you just go to Vernon's or whatever and you have dinner there. But I think I want to do something a little bit bigger.
They're pretty cool, actually.
If it wasn't at the Tamaya, because I just want to be, professional about it too. But if it wasn't at the Tamaya, I guess I would just, cater a ton of Rudies or whatever, and have all kinds of other cool stuff. And I have a house. There's another house that I, can use it as a pool and everything. But it's not that weather, so it's, being able to. Because I've told a lot of my clients about the license and everything, so it's like, it's nice that they can celebrate with me and everything.
Yeah.
Just getting to know too that I'm not just a barber. I do care about all of these people as well. I truly
Yeah.
do. Like I've never said that because I never, and I'll probably never say it again. But I'm saying I do care about the people, without a doubt. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
I've gotten an attachment to them. It's. And I like these people here, all of them. Every single one of them. And so with your sideburns, do you want them long or do you want them ejected up a little bit?
Yeah, eject it up a little bit.
Okay, I got you. So pop them.
Get that styling just like that. I think just clean that up.
I'll leave school on.
Yeah.
Actually, I'll just trim some of this to where it's
Oh, sorry, yeah.
oh, you're over there watching first. Just 'cause it's Yeah, and I try to respond promptly to your text message too. For
Ah,
sure.
you did good, man.
All right, awesome. Oh, yeah.
Do you have any plans over the holidays?
Just drinking eggnog and eating food.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah, just literally. That's probably it.
Sounds really relaxing.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I hope it could be. Even having maybe like something like a hot chocolate with marshmallows in it would be a good idea.
Oh, this one's really good right now.
I was at the Tamaya recently, and they have marshmallows that you can get over there. They're free with the room and everything, and then you can do them by the fire and everything.
Oh,
Yeah, they have like an outdoor fire pit. They put like up sticks, and you could use like a Hershey chocolate. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that was really good.
There's only about so many of those I can take.
Wait, was somebody of what?
Those I could take.
What, the s'mores?
Yeah.
No, I can do a few. It's like, damn. Yeah,
I
those
take
things are
maybe
good.
2, 3 on max.
Oh, yeah. Well, I mean, damn, yeah, that's a lot. It's like, a little stomach ache. It was like, god damn.
See all kinds of people eating 10 or 12. I'm like, holy shit.
Yeah, I know. God, fucking teeth are falling out. It's like, god
I'm
damn.
all like, slow down, stay puffed.
Oh my god.
That's it, my god. And then watch you
That looks good.
You like it?
Yes.
Alright,
Yes, I
so-
do.
And then watch, look, stand up and look at it real quick too, just so you can kind of. That's Albuquerque in the background over there, right up here in the.
Oh, that's.
Well, watch, look at it standing up. See if you like it over there.
Oh yeah.
All right.